I have a brand new KitchenAid dishwasher model number KDFM404XO. The clean light has been blinking since it was installed yesterday. I have tried pushing the cancel button, but I can't cancel the light or get the dishwasher to start. It was installed by a plumber who has installed dishwashers for 40 years, my husband. Help.
What happened just before the light on your KitchenAid dishwasher came on?
Nothing happened. It was on and blinking as soon as it was installed.
How long has this been going on with your KitchenAid dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
As I said, this has been going on for 24 hours. I have tried to cancel and start buttons following the instructions in the enclosed literature.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. I'm sorry for your trouble. Do you have the lower panel removed?
No. Why?
Okay, thanks. Can you remove it, please? We are going to check a few things.
Hello?
Hello.
I don't know how.
Remove the 2 5/16 screws on the front of it. Then lift it up and off.
Okay.
Keep me posted, please.
I will. Stay close.
Okay, thanks.
All right. It's off.
Okay, thanks. Now push on the tab on each side of the white plastic cover and pull it straight out and see if the orange wire is plugged into it.
It's plugged in.
Okay, thanks. Is there standing water in it?
It's making noise like it's on, but then it quit us.
Is there standing water inside the plastic piece?
Maybe a very little bit.
In the plastic piece? Okay, thanks. That's the problem. Dump it out. Then dry out. Then try to start a cycle and let me know what happens, please. Be careful not to get shocked.
Okay. I did that, but I am having trouble trying to shove the plastic tray back in so the tabs aren't sticking out. Should I just leave it like it is and try to start a cycle?
They are aggravating. Keep me posted, please. Yes. That's fine. Keep me posted, please.
It started. I can hear it and the washing light is showing. I guess it's fixed.
That's great. Yes. You should be good to go.
Thanks.
You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is Hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to rate me.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.